Why your car needs a regular inspection. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that might seem a bit boring, but is actually really important: car inspections. I know, it's not the most exciting topic, but trust me, it could save you a lot of time, money, and potentially even your life. So, why do you need a car inspection? Well, imagine your car as a living, breathing machine. Just like your body needs regular checkups, your car needs maintenance to keep it running smoothly. A car inspection can help you identify potential problems early. This can prevent minor issues from turning into major, expensive repairs. Ensure your car is safe to drive. Regular inspections can uncover safety hazards that could put you and others at risk. Maintain your car's value. A well-maintained car is worth more when it comes time to sell it. What to expect during a car inspection. So, what can you expect during a car inspection? Well, it usually involves a thorough examination of your car's engine. The mechanic will check for any leaks, noises, or performance issues. Brakes, they'll inspect the brake pads, rotors, and fluid levels to ensure your brakes are working properly. Tires, the mechanic will check the tire pressure, tread depth, and for any signs of wear or damage. Lights, they'll make sure all your lights are working, including headlights, taillights, and turn signals. Suspension, the mechanic will check for any signs of wear or damage in the suspension system. How often should you get a car inspection? The frequency of car inspections can vary depending on your car's age, mileage, and driving conditions. However, a good rule of thumb is to get your car inspected at least once a year or every 10,000 miles. So, there you have it. Regular car inspections are essential for keeping your car running smoothly and safely. By investing a little time and money in preventative maintenance, you can save yourself a lot of headaches and heartache down the road. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more helpful car care tips.